According to parents of Mboniselo Primary School, the school has been operating without a fence for about 11 years. They expressed concern that their children are not safe at the school due to the proximity of an informal settlement and are calling on the government to fence the school soon. Nozipho Somachele, who has worked at the school since 2024 and is also a parent, fears that without urgent action, anyone at the school could be in danger.
Kwalequ anti apha ngasemva leqwa ngabanye abafana oko apha mntanam esisikolo konakele kukayizo oko uprincipal kuthiwe uyasuspendwa apha esikolweni akukho busafe bethu singo anti akukho busafe botishara ngoba apha isikolo sethu siyavandalize ufika ngemivulo qho konakele kuqhekeziwe kwa icontainer yethu asikho safe thina kula container asisaziphathi nefoni ngoba asiyazi into ezawuthi sahlele ngoba beke kwaqhekezwa sakwatuwa pha safika kutuwiwe kukho imess phakathi econtainini kulesipheka kuyo akukho safe for abantwana bethu apha. Siyacela kakhulu udepartment makakathatha inxaxheba kule into ngoba apha kuze kude kuphume isidumbu zabantwana bethu.
A grade 4 pupil at the school expresses feeling scared.
Asisifeel safe ngoba kungena abantu barobha omem ifoni zabo nebheki zabo omisi babaleke.
A member of the school governing body, Zukiswa Lose, states that they have written to the Department of Education multiple times, but no action has been taken.
Ukuba umhloli akasiphenduli eze kuthi abantwana bahleli bengazofunda ngoba kaloku abantwana bakho safe otishara bekho safe nizibonile kamandi indambo zombane phaya zingena apha ngaphakathi amacingo awile abantwana bezinye izikolo bangena apha ngaphakathi bazobetha abantwana balapha esikolweni ngaphakathi so asikho safe isikolo akukho mntu safe no auntie ezansi nabo abekho safe.
Members of the EFF in the Matikinga branch were called by parents to support them in shutting down the school. The party states that the situation at the school has gotten worse to the point where a girl was called by a man from the nearby informal settlement while she was in the school toilets.
Today, we instructed our councillors to come in and do an oversight. Indeed, there's no fencing. Iskolo is surrounded by informal settlement. There's no fencing. Illegal electrification in informal settlement run on the ground of the school, which is dangerous for the children. We went into the toilets. Toilets azina plumbing. There's no running water. The main issue that the parents have is that a child was in the toilet. Wabuya ebaleka kumama ophekayo ukuthi kukho ubhuti ombizele toilet. That means ukuthi abantu bahlala phaya eMjondolo have full access to esikolweni.
Parents insist that the school will remain closed until the Department of Education presents a clear and urgent plan to address safety concerns and protect learners. At the time of this report, the department had not responded to request for a comment. For Mpumakapa TV News, I am Sisipho Mdiki in Gqeberha.